All given away there by Rutsi. The ball's in now towards Tenzin Chopak. Bit of a strange clearance there by Rutsi. No foul given away there by Yusupov. Now a ball down the left hand side. Cross comes in, but he's put under pressure there. It was Tenzin Tay. Almost getting it. Against Azizov, and he tucks it in for Tibet's first goal of the competition. And in steps Chan. Oh, lovely bit of skill there by Bhagentsang. He's got space on the right hand side. Said he's gone left to Tabka. Can Tabka pull another goal back? Just fight. Well, one back there by Bhagentsang. And a good strong tackle there. Say Wang probably wasn't the best pass from Kasimov. He's Abradimov who was in on goal. A good save in the end. Corner swung in. Chance now for the header towards goal, and it's into the net by another substitute. Oh, here's a chance now for Bhagentsang, who's got another one back. It's 5-4 with 8 minutes to go. It's over the wall and a good save there, pushing it away. It's a corner though. Again on the volley and chance to turn it in, he must do. No, he's put it wide and he's disappointed with himself.